What are we doing today, Dominic?
We're playing the Monster Jam mat.
We're playing with our Monster Jam mat. Who do we have here? Who's that? Let me see.
Crashing in the crash.
Oh, that is Crush Cycle.
Ready?
Ooh, we have a lot of monster trucks here today. As always, right there we got Superman, Crush Cycle. Get out of here, Spidey. What are you doing here? You're not a monster truck, silly. We got Pirate right here.
No.
Curse, something curse. Wonder Woman. Let's see if Wonder Woman can do it. Oh, Dominic's gonna line them all up. You got more over here. Who are you grabbing next? 30th anniversary. Very nice, very nice. Line them on up. Who are we grabbing next?
A Hot Wheel.
Oh, we grabbing Hot Rod from Hot Wheels. That's a Hot Wheels one, right? Line them on up.
Line them all up.
Line them on up. Who's next? Ooh, what is that one's name again? That one's like a princess horse. I don't even know.
No.
What is it? What's that one?
It's a horse.
It's a horse.
It's a color horse.
A color horse. Let's call it it's a unicorn, actually. Rainbow unicorn. Nay, nay. Which one's next? Uh-oh. You got the Hot Wheels Fire Department coming up. Vroom, vroom. Who's next, Dominic?
Megalodon.
Megalodon, the glitch one, right? That's the... Oh, 2 Megalodons. Double Megalodon.
Double Megalodon.
Double Megalodon.
And we'll go back to my channel, guys.
And who's next? From your pile of monster trucks.
Look.
That's not a monster truck. That's a Honda CR-V, I think. No, that's a Honda Civic. Which monster truck is next? You got to finish lining them up. Come on. Dominic, which monster truck is next? Who's that? Who's that? Oh, Toro Loco. That's the black Toro Loco. That's a cool one. I like that one. Whoosh, to the end of the line. Who's next?
I jumped.
You jumped over him? Let me see.
Watch, guys.
Oh! Who's next on the line?
Whoa.
Oh, who's next?
Oh, these are cars.
Those are cars. Okay, he's gonna put the cars over there. Down the ramp. Whoosh, whoosh.
Whoa.
Whoa! He put the cars down the ramp. Who's next for the monster truck? Oh, you're going back to the car. Who's that, Miles?
No, Black Panther.
That's not Black Panther, that's Miles.
I can find something else.
Find something else? What are you looking for? Another car? Oh, and you got Gwen Stacy.
Yes.
Miles and Gwen Stacy. Oh, dropped her. Are you gonna put those? Huh?
Mom's coming.
Mommy's coming. Are you gonna put those down the ramp?
Mom's not coming.
Mommy's not coming. Are you gonna put those down the ramp? Go. Woo! On your mark. Get set.
Yeah.
Go! Oh, whoa! I don't know where those are going. Who's next? Are you gonna add to your monster trucks or are you gonna find another car? Oh, who is that? Oh, that's Northern Nightmare. Maybe me and Dominic are going to see Monster Jam in March, right? Are you excited? Maybe. Who do you think we'll see there? I think Northern Nightmare, Toro Loco. Oh, that's the Miles bike. That's Miles Morales' bike.
This is a jump.
Whoosh. Are you putting another Monster Jam there? Oh, look, you got a couple in your hands. You got Mohawk Warrior, Monster which one's Monster? One of those Monster Months, I don't know. This Gravedigger, Zombie. I love Zombie. I think Zombie's my favorite because the arms. Ah! Lining them on up. Boom, boom. Zombies here waiting to eat brains. Brains.
Dad, I'm done.
You're done?
Yes.
What about zombie? Oh, put him right here.
Mom's coming.
Ooh, I like that. That looks nice.
Mom not coming today. Mom not coming.
No, she's not coming, puppy. I like your monster trucks. They look real nice.
Dad,
What are you gonna do now?
I can do.
Toro Loco.
This look is mad.
Man, oh, here, you want me to try doing it? Here, look like this. Now he looks mad. Ah. With the other Toro Loco over there. Who else we got? Who's up next? Batman! Batman!
It's going over there.
Yup.
Can jump over them.
Let me see. Oh, parkour. Oh, parkour. Oh, you dancing? Oh, the fire one. And Zurg. Who else? You adding them to the line? Zurg and Zurg! Oh, Zurg! Zurg, that was a crazy jump, Zurg! Oh! Whoa! Zurg, man, you're crazy. It broke? It didn't break. It's still there. It just moved out of the line. Just move it back like this. Hey, getting back in line, bud. Still so many more. Ah, bit me. Who's next? Woo! Which one? What's that guy's name again?
Electric punch.
Jurassic Attack. That's what it is. Jurassic Attack. To the end of the line. Oh, who's next? Oh, Dominic's breakdancing. Go, Dominic. Go, Dominic. Breakdance. In front of your monster trucks. Go, Dominic. Go, Dominic. Breakdance. In front of your monster trucks. Oh, 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 oh. All right, who's next? Who's that? Alien. Meemo, I'm an alien. That sounds more like a robot, but you get the idea. Alien. Oh my gosh, the line is getting long. Can you still jump over it? Let's check. Ho! Try again. Ho! Who's next? Oh! Bakugan! Oh! Skateboard Man! Who else? Oh, the big Earth Shaker. I'm gonna add Bakugan here and Skateboard Man here. Oh! I like that noise. Do it again. Oh, it sounds like a monster truck. It sounds just like a monster truck in real life. He jumped over it? That's Max D and Earth Shaker.
I crushed.
That's alright, just put him back. Flip him. If you knock him over, just put him back.
Hey, how would that sign? I'm sorry.
Max D. Max D, can you make a noise like this? Oh, who's next on the line? Should we add? Who should we add? Soldier Fortune. Whoosh, whoosh, whoosh. All the way at the end. Who else? Oh, you got Gravedigger over there. You got Calavera. You got So many monster trucks still. There's another Gravedigger.
Oh, no.
Oh, look at the little baby monster truck. Oh, that was so cute.
It's a trash.
It's Crush. It does look like it looks like this one. Crush Cycle. It's like a garbage truck that picks up the garbage. You know the big garbage cans outside? Remember the garbage truck comes and eats them on up? Oh, Monster Mutt Dalmatian. Ruff, ruff. Ruff, ruff. Under the bridge. Under the bridge.
Ouch.
You hit your head? Oh no. Let me rub it.
Oh. What is it?
Oh, it's what? Is it brother and sister? Are they brother and sister?
Yes.
Aww. It's brother and sister. Sparkle Smash and Horsepower. Don't you have another horse one too? Look, another one. You have 3 horses. That one's Aqua Stallion. So you got Aqua Stallion, Sparkle Smash, and Horsepower. The 3 horses. The 3 horsemen. Who's next? Who's next? Hello, Gravedigger. Boom. Hello. This one. I don't know what this one's name is. It doesn't even have a name anywhere. We're just going to call you Purple Rhino. Hello, Fuel Academy. Hello, Tiger Shark. Hello, Carne Asada. Who's next? Hello, Gravedigger again. Oh, that's the baby Gravedigger. Put it next to the other one. Look. Aw, where's the baby? Oh, rock-a-bye baby on the treetop. Look, you got 2 Gravediggers there. Actually, where's your other grave? You have another one down there too, the yellow one. That one's got red and purple, and this one's got what? Purple and blue? Yeah, purple and blue.
Water.
Yes, those they had dirt on them, right? Remember they had dirt? These had dirt on them, and then you put them in the water and the dirt comes off and it shows you which monster truck you got. And that's why the wheels are still brown. Those are cool, right? We're gonna have to do another episode with one of those.
Who's next?
Who's next? Is there any more monster truck stuff? I think I see one. The Rhino.
No.
No?
That was Hot Wheels.
Oh, that's a Hot Wheel one. Yeah, you're right. I'm just gonna add these to the end of the line. The baby. Look at the baby Gravedigger, baby Gravedigger. The line is so long. I think that's all of them. I think we got. I mean, we have this. You have this one right here, the Dirt Squad. I think that's all of them that are done. Oh, look, there's one over there. Who's that over there? The blue one. Oh, you got Calavera over there. Vroom, vroom, vroom. Under the bridge. What about that blue one over there, Dominic? Who's that? Oh, that's Blue Thunder. Oh my god. You have so many monster trucks. Can you jump over them still? Can you jump over them still? Oh! Oh my gosh, you almost didn't make that one. Try again. Oh! Down the line. Whoosh.
Sit down.
And the 3 horses. Dominic, you have so many monster trucks. Can I have one? Which one? Blue Thunder for me? Thank you. I'm going to play with Blue Thunder, guys. And who are you going to play with, Dominic?
I cannot play.
Who's Dominic going to be? I'm going to be Blue Thunder. Mohawk Warrior?
Yes.
All right. Blue Thunder and Mohawk Warrior. Guys, if you want to watch us play, make sure you subscribe and check out our other videos where we play with our monster trucks, right? Say subscribe.
Subscribe.
Say see you later.
See you later.
Bye.
Bye.